All right, going live now. So what was done so far was that I managed to get this modal in this game. I got this game in here, and I got Architect NZ to Architect NZ helped out putting in this button here, which is pretty cool. And now I'm gonna put in another game in. I'm gonna integrate another game. Put another modal. Now, I just need to download that game, and yes. So got that. This is modal 10, the novel, yada yada. Yep. Alright. So now that I got this modal here, I'm gonna add another game and I'm just gonna go to itch.io for a bit and just download that. Just need to go down. I need to look at the other screen. I have like 3 screens in total. I'm doing coding right now. So this game, just need to download the build. Download. I have multiple download files here and there. Right. Now that's downloaded, all I have to do is just open that up. This one. Go to my Unity folder. I need to get this shit sorted. Look at this. I'll clean it up later. Whatever. Now, just need to go to my GitHub page. Yep. And put this one here. Template data is practically the same thing. Tick Pong build. Just call it Tick Pong build, and just put the stuff in here. Build. Yes. And template data is practically the same thing. Just need to put this index. Just rename it as Tick Pong instead. Tickpong.html. And then just paste it here. And just need to edit this code. And then compare and contrast practically. Two people, alright. So right now I'm gonna add another game. So I'm gonna add this game. So right now, what I'm going to do today is to add this game onto my website. So this is my website. I'm gonna add another modal. All right. So just need to look at the other code. Need to look at Tick Pong. Another one. Just need to change the title to this only. And just need to look at what was it? This one. Just need to compare and contrast the code here and there. The favicon just needs to be... yes. Fairly fine. Oh yeah, just gonna add this thing too. Pretty sure the template data for this thing is roughly the same, right? Yes. Has all this stuff in here. That's fine. Just gotta disable this. And the full screen button should be the same. I need to copy this underneath Unity footer. There you go. And the next thing is to look at this and change it instead to build into tick pong build. Whoop. The build URL is under that. Yes, it's good. Canvas height is just the same. Now I just need to launch this up, see if it works well. Yes, it works well as expected. Look at that. It works as expected, which is good. Now I just need to add a modal for that. Just need to dispose, close it. Add another modal called modal 11. Just need to rename all of this. Yes, that's fine. All right. Modal 10 and then modal 11. Oh yeah, I also have to look at the index HTML as well. I have to look at this and this at the same time. Right. Just need to copy. Where does this div come from? Up from the very top, isn't it? Yes, from the very top. Modal 11. 11. Yes. And call it tic-tac-toe and pong. Whoop. Copy. Two-player game. Right. And I have to copy this. Yes. Modal 10 should be modal 11. Tick Pong, copy this. And in theory, it should be updated. Yep, it's there. Just need to change the image. Gonna edit this game. Actually, why don't I just take a screenshot of it instead? I could just do that. True. Yeah. Oh. I'm just gonna take a screenshot of this. So I'm just gonna take a screenshot of this and play. And make sure that, yeah, come on, load up. I'm just gonna take a screenshot of this. There you go. Right. Now I got a screenshot of that. Just need to make a thumbnail for this image. Now, what I'm doing right now is to code my website. I have different tabs here. So right now I'm coding this. This is my website. You could access through this link. So if anybody's watching here, this is my website, and I'm adding my games on it. So I've integrated this game into my website itself. You can even go full screen too. Look at that. I could click back and it could go back to my website, etc. So right now I'm just integrating this game into my website. Alright? Now, so I got the Moto 11. I just need to change the image and make sure the resolution of it is actually the same. Now, where was it? Oh, here it is. Tic-tac. Let's just call it tic-tac-toe. There you go. And I'm just gonna change the image size. To make sure the resolution is roughly the same. Or at the very least, the aspect ratio of it. The fuck? There you go. Alright. Just... Whoop. Yeah, I'm still using Windows 7. Now, what's the aspect ratio of this thing? So, the 13... No, it's not the one. 13.65110, okay? 13.65110. 13.65110. Another one. There. Right. And then... what do they call it anyway? Tic-tac-toe. Just gonna put an underscore for the time being. So, and just call this main menu. Now, there. Got that. Just need to change this to, yes. Let's change this name to here. Tech. Game. Yep. Just need to change the details of this thing. A 2-player game. Which tab was it? Oh, what's up, dang? Right now I'm coding my website. Yes. Not much to say, right? Which one was it? Need to refresh this page. It's not even changing it. Actually. Oh, main menu. Should be main menu instead, isn't it? Actually. Just need to change this to this. Are you a newcomer here? Dang. You found this video by accident? What website? My website. I am coding my website. That's what I'm doing. I mean, can't you tell? Well, whatever. I'm coding my website, man. That's what I'm doing. Okay. So that's... Wait, why do I have... Oh wait, this is the... Yep. So... Got it like this, like that, and you can click this and launch it. Look at that. Look at that. So yeah, this is this game here is a mixture of tic-tac-toe and Pong at the same time. So it's a 2-player game, basically. Look at that. Win. Restart. Restart doesn't work. What's this? That's strange. Surely the restart button should work, but it doesn't. Just refresh. Pretty sure the start button should work. Okay, it does work. Don't know why it didn't work that last time. Alright. Click to select the players. Yep. Okay. I should probably. Alright. So this one's working. Just need to integrate the other game right now. So what do you think about the website? Looks cool, right? Look at that. If you click this icon, it goes up. I'm just gonna go full screen on this thing. Click show reel. Goes here. Work. Smooth, right? It's quite smooth. Not sure what people are. Who are the people watching? But I guess they're newcomers. There were 2 people that just watch that have watched the stream since the beginning. Since part 1. I'm not sure if architect._nz is still here. Now since I've got 2 games integrated, I think I'll try to reorder them. Yeah. Oh, Abby. Oh wait. Oh yeah, Abby, I remember you. Yeah. I just noticed there are 2 people. Yeah, what's up? So I just quickly got this integrated, which is cool. So yeah, it's much more faster for me to integrate the games now. So what else should I integrate? A diorama game. Maybe I should try to reorder them. Maybe I should reorder the modals. So get this thing right above over here and get this to be over here instead. I'm gonna try to reorder them. But you know, it's gonna be a little bit finicky to do that. So let's try to reorder them. So what number is it? I have this other tabs here too. I'm just gonna close this. What's this one? Oh, it's from here. Close that. So 1, 2, 3. So this game should be the 4th game. So I'm gonna try to reorder them now, so I don't have to do it later on. So for the time being, what I should do is just disable this. Disable this. Control Shift /. So how I did that is just CTRL plus Shift plus this. So that's how I disable the code. So Control Shift / to disable it. And if I want to enable it again, Control Shift there. You know? Easy. Just need to highlight and Control Shift / just to disable certain codes and stuff, right? So I'm gonna go like this, and what was it? Modal 4? Actually, I'm just gonna go look at this. So this one will be. I'm gonna go to line 306. Yeah, it's gonna be finicky to reorder the whole thing. Line 306, right over here. And then I have to go to all the way up to modal 4, which is this, right? I'm just gonna disable this thing. This one is not really used. So this one, modal 4, disable. And if you save that, it should theoretically be gone. Yeah, it's gone. Practically. And I'll just need to reorder them. Wait, what if I just rearrange the numbers instead? So what if I rearrange the numbers. What happens if I do that? So this is 4. And I... Okay, what if I do this? 10. And I have to go all the way down here and say this is 10 or something, right? Yeah. So number 4 should be 10. It's gonna be, model 4. Should be 10. So if we go like this, theoretically it should be at the bottom now, right? I'm not sure. Not really. Yeah, it's a little finicky to do this. Actually, no. Yeah, you're just gonna... Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna... It's getting hot in here. Wet. Portfolio modal. So... disable that. And then disable modal 10, I guess. Look at this shit. Yeah, it's gonna be a bit of a mess, this one. Oh, we done it? Might have to go like this. And then there. And then the game should disappear. Visual novel. And a node.fest animation should be disabled as well. Alright, node.fest animation is modal 4. Right here. And then... yeah. If only there's a simpler way, but... I just have to do this sort. Just gonna get rid of this. That's just junk code. And this one... look at this. Nah. Go like that. Just gonna make it cleaner. There's so many divs in here. Was it? Bomb. Right. So now that's disabled. All I have to do now is just make a modal 4. There'll be tons of code now. Modal 4. Yeah, HTML is practically copy and paste most of the time. Like, roughly half the time. So, modal 4. I'm just gonna split it downwards again. Now I have 3 of these. Alright. So, we have to go all the way down to modal 10. Right over here. And then just copy and paste all of this shit. Right? And put it over here. And just close this. And then next up is like... this. Right? And then just need to copy. Yeah. I don't want to delete the code though. I'm just gonna leave it as inactive. Because, you know, I don't want to mess things up too much. So this goes all the way up here. There. And just rename this as modal 4. There you go. And then just rename this one to modal 4. And this one to modal 4. And theoretically it should work. Now, just need to activate this thing. Whoop. Done. And then this, activate this, and activate this. And there you go. I reordered it. I reordered the vision all up to here. So now I just need to get this TikTok Pong game up to here. But I have to disable Gothic 3D animation. Now I have to reorder the what's it called again? Yeah, I'm just gonna disable Gothic 3D animation and just put this TikTok game into here. Tic-tac-toe Pong game in here, and yeah, right. All right. So, which one is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. So Gothic. What's it? So that's like 5. So what I should do? Go like this. Oh. That's this shit. Get rid of it. Oop. Now. So got that thing disabled. I'm just gonna like this. Honestly, I could have gone like this. Split it to left. Look at this. I'm gonna disable this actually. Get rid of it. Split right. Why can't I make it bigger? Yeah, you could go crazy with this thing. So, modal 5, actually, no. Yeah, modal 5. And then I have to disable modal 5 at the very bottom, which is this thing. Call it 3D. Now, just need to disable that one. Where's this from? There. Yeah. Modal 5. Disable. Now, there. Now that's disabled. And then it should update itself. Yep. Just to keep track. Bit of a clusterfuck right now. Now, once that, so since I got it like this, so now model 5 should be called tic-tac-toe. There you go. And it's at the very final modal. Split downwards. So I'm just gonna copy it here. And then just need to scroll all the way down here. Ah! Here it is. It's gonna fucking... It's annoying. Alright, modal 11 should be disabled now. Need to disable modal 11. Disable it for the time being. There you go. And this thing should be disabled as well. I'm gonna get rid of this. Right, there you go. Now, modal 5. Designated as modal 5. So I'm just gonna call it tic-tac-toe. Just in case I won't forget it. And just copy all of this code to modal 5. And just rename this as 5. Alright. Name it as 5. And this thing should be renamed as 5. I mean, I could just rename the numbers here instead of just copy and paste, but you know, I'm just gonna go through like this instead. So this one, up to number 5. I want to make sure it's ordered and all that. Wait. I'm just gonna copy and paste this thing. That's all. I'm going to number 5. Modal 5, modal 5. Up to number 5. There. Inefficient, but it works. So, get rid of this. Oh yeah, here it is. Okay, what I'm doing. And there you go. Reordered. Heck yeah. So the first ones are the games, and the other ones are different. So what should be number 6 anyway? You know, I could theoretically disable it, these other modals for the time being, and then just keep on adding the other ones in if I want to. Oh yeah, these games and oh yeah, this one. What next? Oh yeah, this thing. The room diorama. Oh god. Oh shit, I muted myself. So, why did I mute myself anyway? Anyways. So this... Why did I mute myself? So, these are the assets that I made. And I put it into this project. So this project was for, yeah. This project was for, you know, was part of my assignment where you have to use other people's assets and put it together. So, yeah. You could go like, woo! Like, if you turn, the wall disappears. Woo! That's pretty cool, right? Woo! Whoa, 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 whoa. It's a diorama, basically. And then you could, like, press C again to roam around it. Yeah, I'm in Bachelor of Game Design with distinction. So yeah, I was studying Bachelor of Games Design at RMIT, so I had to do this sort of stuff. It's pretty cool though. Shadows are pretty shit. Look at that. Look quality. Was I muted the whole time or what? I'm pretty sure I wasn't muted. I guess I pushed the button just once. Oh yeah, true. Oh yeah, it kind of does look like a Sims, Sims room or something. But yeah, I'm gonna download this thing and put it to my game. Actually, it's pretty easy to do that. So I'm just gonna, what I'm gonna do is just download the WebGL game of this thing. Alright, so I'm gonna download the WebGL version. Whoop. Alright, got the WebGL version. What's it called? Retro Future. Diorama build. Should be roughly the same template data. I'm gonna check out the index HTML. Pretty sure it's the same thing anyway. Yeah, it's roughly the same. Yeah, the code is practically roughly the same anyway. Yeah, it's practically roughly the same. Just gonna get rid of this. Call it Retro Future Room. Right. It's called Retro Future Room. .html. And just copy and paste this thing into my stuff. Just gonna... There you go. And the build data would be roughly the same thing too. Just gonna put in downloads. Retro Future build. Just gonna put in caps. There. And then just need to edit the code. I'm gonna delete. Just gonna get rid of that. Look at this code. Just change the name build into something else. go. And yeah. Oh yeah, change the change the one at the top to this icon. Same deal. To my logo. And then disable some of the code here. Going to footer. Right over here. Disable this. WebGL logo, full screen button, Unity build title. Sure, you could just get rid of that. And full screen button. And then this code. Just at the top. There. Now, since I got that thing in, I'm just gonna double check this and just launch it up. See if it looks good. Why do I have this thing? Alright. But I'm just gonna get rid of that WebGL builds thing to be out. There you go. Empty. Launch it again. And it's gone. Yay. It works. So, got that thing working, and just need to integrate it into the main index. Now, it'll be under, it'll be on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, number 6. It'll be in portfolio modal 6. It's gonna be same shtick. So index modal 6. This one was a, I'm gonna get rid of this shit. Poetry in motion. Did some motion graphics in that one. Probably actually no. You just need to go like this. There you go. So modal 6, and then get rid of this. Not really get rid of this per se, but more like just gonna. There you go. Modal 6 to be gosh. Come on. And then disable all of this shit. Disable that. Done. And then have to disable the one at the very bottom, or actually right over here. Five, 6. Yep. Get rid of this. I'm just gonna. Actually, nah, forget it. There you go. Modal 6 is practically disabled. And yeah. So that's this 8. It's not disabled. So now what I should do is make a modal, another modal 6. Whatever. Model 6. Yes. Actually, just need to go to Model 5. Right here. Or here. Whatever works. Have to take a picture of it too. Hmm. But I have this line anyway. Alright. Yep, it works. Alright. So that works. What do I even put in here anyway? The description of it. I'll put the description of it later. It's a bit finicky. I'm just gonna take a picture of this. Then take a picture of this. Yeah, I could just copy and paste this thing. Yep. This is a 3D interactive diorama environment. Yep. What's another word for diorama anyway? Huh. To reach the room. Right. C to change perspective. Right. All right. Retro future room diorama, 3D environment. Maybe you have to change the name a little bit. There you go. And then change the image. Retro room. Alright, so still anybody there? Nothing. There's nobody. Seems Abby's a bit too busy right now. Abby is still there. Pretty sure you're busy right now. Oh well. Gosh. I guess it's like that. Need to find a right balance for it. I think this is it. Right. Just need to... Oop. No, actually. Retro room. Right, got it like that. Retro room diorama. Looking good. Looking good right now. Yep, integrated. That's good. What else should I put in here? Practically, I could just put the whole stuff in there. If I want to. What else should I put in here anyway? Probably should put this point and click game there too. It's pretty good. I'm not sure what should I put next. Maybe the... nah. Maybe I should put my old show reel in here. Oh gosh. My old ass show reel. Very, very old. Yeah. My very old show reel. I should probably set up my playlist a little bit. Actually, I should put this game into here. Yeah, probably I should put this game in. So, I'm just choosing right now. Choosing. So this game, maybe my dialogue system? Perhaps. 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 This. And this. And this. Yeah. I'm a bit confused right now. It's gonna be a pain to reorder the whole thing. Uh. Oh yeah, this thing takes so ages to load up. Oh man. Oh no, I'm gonna crash it. Oh, whoa, it's so laggy. Look at that. Heck no, I won't even. Nah. Yikes, it's so laggy, man. No. Oh man. Right. Ugh. One, two, three. So 6 of them. So 7. Alright. Number 7. Ugh. Number 7. No, number 7 indeed. Alright, gonna disable the modal number 7. How did I even embed this in the first place? How did I did that? Div equals scroll container. Okay, that's interesting. Okay, so it's from here. Ah. Alright. I'm just gonna get rid of this stuff. It's basically deactivated anyway. There. Called graphic novel. Right. Okay, there you go. Seems like I'm kind of lagging. Oh well, that's fine. Alright. This will be here. Right. This one should be disabled. There you go. The divs are like effed. It's called Floating Reveries. Model 7 end. From the very big end. Line 316. Right, there you go. Split to the right. Go all the way up to number 1. Just copy and paste it and put it in here. Oh, what's up, Architect? What's up, man? What's up? Hey, just recently, what I'm doing right now is embedding embedding a few more games, and I've embedded 2 more. Yeah, I embedded this game, the tic-tac-toe game. It's basically a mixture of. This game is basically a mixture of tic-tac-toe and Pong, basically. It's a 2-player game. And the next one is this thing that I did a while back. Roughly this was in 2 years ago now. Yeah, 2021, this one. So yeah. This one's 3D. That I did a while back. You just roam around on this room. It's basically a 3D environment showcase. And you press C. It's basically, so yeah, it's a diorama. So you can look around, see what it looks like from this end or the other end. So yeah, was part of my assignment too. So practically I have to make a bunch of assets. So the assets that I made are these. I made these 3D models, right? And then I have to use other people's 3D models as well and put it together as a game, basically. That was the assignment. and put it into Unity and make it a diorama. So now I'm integrating this game, this group project that I did just last year into my website, but I'm not gonna embed it as a WebGL because this game is huge. It's just gonna be it's just gonna be a link, just like the first modal. So on this first modal, right, you just click this and it leads directly to itch. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing for this game, basically. Put it into my game and then just have it directly linked to this game. So yeah. Oh, that's intentional actually. Those walls disappearing is intentional. It's actually intentional, that one. I mean, you're supposed to see the whole thing. See? You're supposed to see the whole thing. Like what does it look like in this perspective? What does it look like in this perspective? It's intentional, actually. So yeah, how I did this is just have an invisible void on trigger enter boxes. So when the camera goes into here, there's like a invisible trigger box over here somewhere. So when you go over here and the camera touches it, it makes the walls disappear. So it's a script thing. So yeah. So. Now I'm just need to get this. What was I doing? Oh yeah, modal 7. I didn't really delete the code altogether per se. All it's possible to do is single-sided rooms. True. I'm not sure what you mean. Oh yeah, I think it's called backface calling that I did. What if one-way mirrors are just invisible trigger box? Not sure what these. Like seeing things in one perspective, right? Well, we live in a simulation. I mean, technically speaking, if you say we live in a simulation, you're practically saying that the universe is mental. I have a deep philosophy on that sort. I look into the esoteric, if you know what the 7 hermetic principles are, yeah. Anyways, I could go on and on about philosophy stuff if I want to. I like the hermetic philosophy, the 7 hermetic principles, if you know what that is. I'm referring to this. This is the core philosophy that so every time I look at other people's philosophy or other philosophies in general, my main foundation is just this philosophy. No, fuck. Why can't I have a better image of this thing? So yeah, there's like so basically there's like 7 natural laws, or 12, depending on which framework you go with. It's a foundation. It's a foundational philosophy thing, esoteric. It's pretty deep stuff. Anyways, I mean, everything that you see practically mimics each other and affects each other. That's as above, so below. Anyway, I just need to change this href here to this. We need to get the other modal in here too. Oh, yeah, it's not even activated yet per se because the MIDI modal's not there. Line, which one? Which line? Here it is. Just copy and paste it here. Boop, boop, done. Portfolio modal 1, 1. Well, not 1 per se, more like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there you go. Yay! Got this. And then when you click that, it goes. Oh yeah, goes directly to that. Just need to change the link for that thing, and what? And I just need to change the description of it. Yeah. Change the image too. So, floating.jpg. And in theory, it should change the, there you go. It changed the, it's a little offset. It's kind of off for some reason. I don't know why. Oh well. Pretty sure it's the same resolution. Let me double check on this thing. Hey, do I have it open? Yeah. Image. Okay. Yeah, it's... Yeah, I drew this and then manipulated the image. It used to be... So, I drew this, right? And then make it look old. I just Photoshop it. For some reason. Why is it not the same thing? Yeah, the dimensions are different. Oh, doesn't matter. I'll just change it. What should I use? Ah. Oh yeah. I haven't changed. Oh yeah, true. I haven't changed the name. True. I guess I'm gonna call floating reveries this one. There you go. 3D narrative. Narrative. There you go. Sorry, didn't change the name for that. I might need to change the yeah, I might need to change the thumbnail for this thing. I think the aspect ratio is wrong. Sorry, got you confused there. What screenshot should I use? Oh yeah, I could just... like, this is a gameplay from... what should I use instead? I'm trying to take a screenshot of this, but... fuck. Yeah, I just need to take a screenshot of that, but it has the borders around it. Fuck it, I'm just gonna play the game. I'm gonna find that game. Where is it? Actually, I just need to find that video. Far out. Where was it? Oh. Oops. I just need to mute that. What I'm trying to do is take a screenshot of this thing. There you go. Take a screenshot of this. Or... actually... this screen. I just need to make a screenshot of it. Actually, it's fine. That's like other screenshot of it anyway. 3D narrative. Yeah. Where is it? Where is it? There you go. Here it is. IMG. And then just need to copy this and put it in here. We got the little letter F in there. You broke Unity again. You broke Unity in a way to produce a frame that just took half of the screen. Ah. Oh man. So basically you can only see like half of Unity. Oh shit. Let me see what you did. Ah. Crashed. What's happening here? Did you launch the game and then you just crash immediately? Must have been so difficult to optimize like the scale of the game that you're doing. The scale of the game that I'm doing is just amateurish. This group game was a clusterfuck, honestly. Like, there were only 2 people in my group, which is me and this other guy, Manton, that can only be like face to face in class, while the other 3 can only be online only. So it's a clusterfuck to work with this game. It has some pretty cool ass portals too, like that I've shown in the show reel. Like, I don't show. So this is basically like, see that? So this is like the first few seconds of Floating Reveries. Has portals and stuff like that. Only that specific version of Unity. Okay. I think newer versions are a little bit more scuffed, right? Yeah. I don't know why Unity keeps on having these little different builds to them. I guess for version control, which is I guess for version control, but you know, every time when you launch Unity, there's like always these different versions of it. Like 2018, then there's like these other mini versions of 2022, and yeah. Oh yeah, I'm in Windows 7. So, you have these other releases of Unity, and yeah. They did some portal stuff, and we worked together using Git too. Wow. Yeah. So I got that working. How many? There's so many versions of Unity that I can't keep up. I guess there's no difference between 2021, 2022.3, and then you have, yeah. They always have, yeah. I think it's like different programs altogether per se. Yeah. I think it's a good reason why why Unity set its different versions of Unity to have it like this or something. Like, okay. So that one's fine. I need to get 2022.3 might be wild. Haven't really tested the newer versions of Unity yet. If I have to, test them out, I have to like go back to my Windows 10 boot. Like when you do game dev, you're gonna have a lot of different versions of Unity installed at the same time, like this sort. I'm gonna go full screen and take a screenshot of the whole thing. Yeah. And then try to make sure the aspect ratio is the same thing. Wait, can't I no, it doesn't. Has a lot of impacts of performance for HDRP and URP. Haven't tested out. Does it? So basically 2021.3 is like the worst version of Unity per se. I guess are the 2022 versions better than 2021? I haven't tested it out myself. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. And then... oh fuck. My bitrate is going all over the place. It went to like 2000 for a moment. Seems like my bitrate is going a little unstable. Is it? Ugh. Every release of Unity is always buggy, in a way. I'm not sure which version of Unity is the best. I guess there's no... Alright, there you go. I'm just gonna save this. And... I'm just gonna copy and paste this thing. I wonder what version of Unity that I have. Oh yeah, 2022 is very buggy, just saying throughout experience. I wonder what the latest version of Unity is. What's the latest version of Unity? Let me check that out. What's the latest version? I don't think I would be able to install them though. Oh, okay. Yeah, LTS. Long-term releases aren't the most stable, it seems. Where are the Unity downloads at? Gosh, come on. Here it is. Okay, so the latest version is like 2022.2.19. Okay. I mean, can't they just stick with 2022.2 for the time being? Why would they release 2022.3? They need to refine 0.2. or is the version numbering is a little different for them? I think they have a naming convention for their version numbers. I'm not sure how much though. I see. Yeah, I guess in general LTS are more or less the stable versions of Unity. Yeah. What are text streams? I haven't. Text streams are the. I'm pretty sure text streams are like the latest versions, right? Yeah, early access. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, okay. Like basically early access stuff. Like usually more or less buggy versions of them. All right. What? Oh yeah, what was I doing? Oh yeah, I was trying to um overwrite this file to make it yeah, to have the same resolution or something. There you go. So it's roughly the same ratio. Sleeping. Might need to delete that image. I don't need this image per se. Yeah, true. Yeah. I guess it's up to the. I guess it's really up to them um whether they change to 0.2 to 0.3. I guess depending on their development cycle. Should close this. Yeah, Militine Sluggy. Yeah, I shouldn't. I guess if I want to test things out, then I go with alpha. But in the long term, I would go with LTS. Yeah. Okay, so I think so. It would seem I got this thing integrated. Now I need the other game. I think I could afford to have 2 more games. Or I don't know. Well, I guess I don't really need 2 more games per se. I think it's fine now. I think I'm just gonna integrate the other 2 again. So I got floating reveries, and now I have to get the other work to be in there again. Like, what's this one? Oh yeah, this is visual novel tic-tac-toe. Yep, true. Graphic novel. Yeah, I'm just gonna integrate the graphic novel again. It was temporarily removed for the time being. For some reason, this showreel image is not really. What's with this image anyway? Showreel. It has this thing in here. I'm just gonna edit this image. Oh man, my old ass showreel. Oh god, it's so old. This was back in my diploma days. Like I was making posters and stuff. Yeah. I wonder if I have the original video. So many. Oh man. I guess I could have it like this. And then make it like that. Yeah. When old things become scary to look back again. I mean, if you look back, if one were to look back at their old memories, one would have to cringe, I guess, right? It's a necessity to cringe back at your old self. I mean, practically everyone is cringe at one point or another. I'm just gonna overwrite this. And then, yeah. There you go. Doesn't have any distinction in there. Doesn't have any border. Fuck. Ah. I should probably put this whole thing at the very bottom at the very least. Like, roughly here. And then just to make a little distinction. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine. And just overwrite that. Yes. There we go. Just to make that little line in there. Alright. Yeah, it is easy to recreate it. Yeah. It's just text. Alright. Should probably put my old showreel here, or should I remove this? Anywho. Maybe I should remove my this showreel for the time being and reorder it. I should probably try to reorder the whole thing. Yes. Poetry, notion, graphic design. I should also upload this stuff. I haven't uploaded this stuff yet. These 3D models that I did. What are they called? Which one was it? Structure. Which one was it? It's the one called environment something. Why can't I find it? Oh, here it is. It's this one. This one. At one point I should get this to work. Get this upload to Sketchfab, the 3D models. Oh man. Got like an A+ for that one. Those 3D models that I did. Where was that document that I did? Yeah, Architect. Have you done 3D modeling before? I'm pretty sure you have. I mean, you make a 3D. I mean, you're making a 3D game. Yeah. I'm gonna show. It's gonna launch up. I could do a bit of PBR using Substance Painter, but I can't really do you know, character modeling, but I have done it a little bit. So yeah, I did a bit of this. Like 3D modeled myself and just rigged the whole thing. This is back in 2021. Oh yeah, your website is like still in progress, isn't it? I wonder where I should... I want to check out your stuff, man. I think your stuff is way better than mine. Do you use Blender or Maya? I used Maya because that's what I was taught to use, but I'm planning to use Blender later on. Okay, Blender. Yeah, for me, I'm using Maya because in uni, I was taught I was taught way back in like during my diploma days that I was. Oh shit, my friend Marcus. Back in my diploma days, I was using Maya, and I've been using Maya ever since. But I did a bit of Blender though. Shit. My friend. Streaming for a bit. Stream. Right. It's almost opening up. It's taking so long though. Ooh, what's this? The fuck? Looks cute. Yo. Alright. That's pretty cute. Yeah. Okay, what was I? Oh yeah, here it is. Here's the thing that I did. There you go. This the thing that I did. It's just a showcase of my 3D models. Did a bit of PBR using Substance Painter. Oh. Seems like my mom's calling me out. Oh yeah, it's almost 8 p.m. too. I'm pretty sure. Right, I live in Australia, Melbourne, so it's like 8. It's almost 8 p.m. 4 minutes left. Yeah, I might have to go soon. Yeah, I'm gonna continue on streaming. Wait, I'm gonna continue on streaming later. I'm gonna have to end it now for the time being. So, yeah, this is the 3D models. Just a mixture of medieval and modern sort of thing. Oh shit, 3 a.m. Bro. 3 a.m. Dang. I guess you live in New Zealand or something? No, US. I bet it's US, right? Anyways, I have to go now. See ya, architect. See everyone. I'll stream perhaps tomorrow. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe if I feel like it. Anyway, see ya.